Hello, I'm Jonathan from SBK Telecom, and I'm here to guide you through the process of using your new SBK Mobile for cellular phone service. Let's get started. You can easily access the SBK Mobile soft phone directly from your cell phone. This app enables you to answer calls from anywhere provided you have a reliable cellular internet connection. With this convenient app, you never have to worry about missing an important call, whether you're at home, at the office, or on the go. It allows seamless communication without being tied to your desk phone. If you're using an iPhone, open the App Store and search for SBK Mobile, tap Install, and follow the prompts to enter your credentials. The app is designed to make the installation process as straightforward as possible, so you can start using it without delay. Once the installation is complete, you will be guided through a series of steps to ensure everything is set up correctly. Once the installation is complete, follow the guided instruction. You will need to authenticate using your Office 365 credentials first. This step is crucial to ensure that your phone is linked to your Office system correctly, allowing you to manage calls efficiently and stay connected with colleagues and clients alike. After authentication, you'll be ready to explore all the features that SBK Mobile offers, designed to enhance your mobile communication experience. Once you log in, we'll guide you through a few quick setup steps. Allow microphone access and enable notifications to get started. You can skip contact access if you'd rather not merge your phone contacts. Choosing Siri integration is entirely up to you. Feel free to accept or decline. Next, head to the Contacts page. Select a contact's name, then tap the phone icon to start a call. Use the filter menu in the top left corner to organize your contacts. Want to dial a number directly? Tap the blue dial pad icon. Enter the number and place the call. While on the call, use the dial menu to put the call on hold, mute, transfer, or record the conversation. Need to personalize your experience? Go to the Extra Options menu in the bottom right corner to set up personal or vacation greetings. Finally, to stop receiving calls after hours, just click Log Out to pause all incoming calls. Our operating hours are Monday to Friday, from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. During these hours, we are fully available to assist you with any inquiries, support, or services you may need. Please don't hesitate to reach out to us if there's anything we can do for you. We are committed to ensuring your satisfaction and are here to help make your experience as smooth and enjoyable as possible. Thank you once again for choosing us, and I wish you a wonderful experience with us.